No, it's from aircon maybe. It's not rain. Yes. Yes, inside Robinson. Okay, let's go here. Always traffic here. Okay, let's go. Take a look, girl seat. Yes, I think it's freelancers, yes? You wait me here. Cialis, Viagra, for what? Don't have girls here. Don't have. No, no, not need. Thank you. No. He showed me Viagra. I said, why Viagra don't have girls here? And he said, have so many girls. I said, where? I said, no, thank you, not me. It's joke only. Rain? No, it's from aircon. Don't have rain. Don't have rain. Robinson Manila. Electric or not? Female, you female, you go here. For me here. Thank you. Oh, so many people. Oh, and girls also waiting here. Where you want to go? Huh?
Like this.
Okay.
Turn.
Okay, turn. Okay.
Hello. Say hello.
Hello. I remember this guy from Hong Kong. Mr. Bones. Hello. You want to go to Hong Kong? Hey, Sam Clark also so many people. Okay, let's go. Tiger Sugar. Tiger Sugar. Shire afraid. If you're afraid, why you stand here? Move.
Guys, like this.
Okay.
Sa ano ka? Watson ka?
Savory Classic. Yes, Classic Savory. L1. We are here, we need to go. Okay, this way. Okay. L1, same level. This is L1 already. Very popular restaurant, so many people. Okay. You can ask available seats or not.
Seated there waiting also.
Fast food.